Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel and delete your Squarespace website. Whether you're moving to a different platform or simply no longer need your site, this process will help you fully remove your website from Squarespace. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's associated with the website you want to cancel and delete. This step is crucial because you'll need full access to manage your sites and billing settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all your websites are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to cancel and delete. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you've identified the right website, look for the 3 dots icon next to it. These dots represent the settings menu for that particular site. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Billing. This will take you directly to the billing section where you can manage all payment and subscription details for that website. In the billing section, click on Subscriptions. This page shows all active subscriptions tied to your website, including hosting, domains, and any additional services you might be paying for. From here, click on Website to view the subscription details specifically related to your site's hosting plan. Now, if you currently have an active subscription for this website, you'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click on it. Squarespace will then present you with a few questions asking why you want to cancel your subscription. You can fill these out if you'd like to provide feedback, or you can simply proceed through the prompts. This step officially stops any future billing for your website. Once you've completed the cancellation process, head back to your main dashboard. Now it's time to permanently delete the website itself. Click the 3 dots next to the same website again, and this time select Delete from the menu. This action removes the website entirely from your account, including all its content, pages, and settings. A confirmation message will appear on your screen to make sure you really want to proceed with the deletion. This is your final chance to back out if you've changed your mind. If you're certain, click Delete again to confirm your Squarespace website will now be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription and deleted your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.